After talking simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and at last present perfect continuous. These all four parts have been the basic of understanding at least the use of verbs. In the same process, we will be moving in the simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Here we will have the end of the second phase of tense. So today we will discuss about simple past specifically. In this tense, like the simple present, we also talk about the past habit. Simple present we were talking about the present habit, and in simple past we will talk about the past habit which occurred on the daily basis, or it was in the habit. So two things we have to understand is it was in the daily habit, or it was the incidents which occurred on the frequency or the daily basis. The few examples I have written for understanding clearly is the English came to India. So it was the past incidents which happened. The Britishers invented many things. Africa got freedom. Soumya spoke her first word. They played together. I spent my all pocket money. We went in group. You slept before 10. He spoke no words. She danced at last. It ran to its owner. So these are the few examples. What we understand here, it happened in past, and the words we have used and the verbs we have used is came, V2, invented, V2, got, V2, spoke, V2, played, V2, spent, V2, went, V2, slept, V2, spoke, V2, danced, V2, and last one was ran. So these all words which has been used as the main verb in the sentences I have just talked to, they all are V2. They all are in affirmative forms. You can say also assertive forms. Now after this understanding of examples, I will tell about the structure. Suppose one sentence was the English came to India. The Britishers invented new things. So here the Britishers is the subject, invented, verb, that is V2, new things, object. So structure will be subject plus V2 plus object. We have to remember first subject, then V2. V2 means second form of the verb, and then last object we will keep. But in this tense, we have to understand is why do we use two type of verbs in simple past. If you remember simple present, we were using the two types of verbs. They were V1 and V5, and here in simple past we are using V2 and V1 both. The cases differs. When we make the assertive sentence or affirmative sentence, if I say specifically, then we go for the V2. But when we go for the interrogative and negative forms of the sentences, then we go for the V1. How? That example also we will have. When we will talk the 6 types of sentences. Here this figure will be more clear. How? He slept early. This is the affirmative sentence. When we make interrogative sentence, then it will become, did he sleep early? When we make negative, he did not sleep early. When we make interrogative negative, did he not sleep early? When we make WH, how did he sleep early? And when we make WH negative, how did he not sleep early? Now when we are talking about the interrogative sentence, negative sentence, here we are using the V1, the first form of the verb, that is sleep. But in the first affirmative sentence we have used slept. So the thing to consider is, the thing to remember is, after did in the sentence, wherever you are writing, V1 will be used. And if there is no did in the sentence, there will be V2. Now, after understanding these examples, there is one question for you at the last. You can make the 6 type of sentences for this sentence. Madhu climbed Mount Everest. Thank you.